Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Jeep Renegade battery. First, gather your essential tools, including a 10mm wrench and a battery terminal cleaner. Safety is paramount, so always disconnect the negative terminal first to prevent any electrical shorts. Remember to wear protective gloves and eye protection throughout the entire process to ensure your personal safety. Next, you'll need to loosen the battery hold-down clamp securely using your wrench. After the negative terminal is disconnected, carefully remove the positive terminal. Once both terminals are free and the clamp is loose, you can lift the old battery out of its tray. Be mindful of its weight. These batteries often weigh around 35 pounds. Now, carefully place your new battery into the tray, ensuring it has a snug and stable fit. When connecting the terminals, always attach the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal. Make sure both connections are tight and secure. Finally, secure the battery hold-down clamp tightly to prevent any movement while driving, ensuring everything stays in place. For the final steps, apply some anti-corrosion grease to the terminals. This helps extend their life and ensures good conductivity. Then, start your Jeep Renegade to confirm everything is functioning correctly. If all looks good, you're done. Also, remember to stay hydrated. Check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.